Yo guys, what is up? Gonna do a quick walk and talk. I'm in Moalboal town, or I guess the tourist area. Let me show you where we're starting off. So I'm staying here at the Olala hostel. You see it right there. I met the owners, great people, super friendly, and it's just been a great stay so far. I'm gonna be staying here for just under a week in the tourist area, Moalboal. So if you go down that way, down the street that way, is the main Moalboal town. Moalboal, I think I'm saying it right. That's kind of like the locals area, and this is where we're at here is more like the travelers or like tourist area. So more than likely you're gonna stay here. So we're gonna go down the road. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the. There's so many new buildings, new restaurants, new hotels and hostels, and this is first week of October of 2022. So the beach is only like maybe 5 minutes away walking, and then the town, if you want to go to town, it's about a 10-minute drive. So you can take, oh, here's like a pedicab, I think they call it a trike or whatever. You can take one of these into town if you want. Like, look at all the new, I mean, there's new construction everywhere. I think there was a hurricane last year that kind of devastated some of these areas. So a lot of these, like this is a brand new, it's kind of like I guess it's a resto bar, but it's kind of high end, that they were saying. It's pretty nice at night. But yeah, everyone's saying the busy season is coming here. So I think October starts their busy season. So it's not fully booked up everywhere, but it's still a good amount of people. At night, it seems like a lot of people come out. That's what I noticed last night. But it is today's Tuesday at about 11 a.m. That's what you're looking at now. But overall, everyone's been super friendly. It's pretty reasonably priced. The hostel room, if you want to get like in a dorm of the hostel, I think it's 400 pesos per night or something like that. I got at that hostel, I have a private room with its own bathroom, so it's a little different. It's almost set up like a hotel room, to be honest with you. So not really a hostel experience for me. But there's a lot. But there's a lot of people that are staying in the dorm area. I think it's over 10 beds in the dorms. So if you're looking for a budget experience, you can have that there also. So we're getting to the beach here. I'll show you some. Here we are. Let me cross here. Show you some a new. This is gonna be a cool restaurant right here. I don't know when they're opening, but it looks cool. Cool vibe. Alright. ATM if you need cash, which I think the majority of transactions here are in cash, but there's an ATM if you need. Oh, yeah, I'm going down to the beach area to get some drone footage. I should be able to put it in the end of this video if you want to see the beach area here, and I'll probably go to town and get some quick drone footage of the town to show you the kind of where the locals hang out, since this is mainly where the tourists hang out. Oh, if you need motorbike rentals, here you go, motorbike Majonas. So $350 for 24 hours. Another, I guess this is a bar and restaurant. This place gets pretty live, Blue Mango. If you want to check out a place at night, a lot of people go there. There's actually a lot of mix. It was like half locals, half tourists. Here we go. Getting there. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Yeah, there's rooms everywhere. I rolled into town. I didn't even have a room yet. Like, I was gonna jump on Airbnb, but I was driving and I just pulled over. I saw a hostel, and the first one was booked, but they said just go down the street and there's another one, and that's when I found the one I'm at now. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
So yeah, I mean, I rolled in with no room booked or anything, and I was just, within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I was able to find a room. All right, here we are at the Moalboal cat. Hey, where's your tail? Where's your tail, huh? Where's your tail? Somebody took your tail. Alright. Going through here, another resto bar, I guess. Good morning. More construction, new buildings everywhere. This is a great place if you want to have a business, or if you're able to have a business, because you know the Philippines rules. Great taverna. I'm gonna try this Greek food later. Greek food for taverna. Alright, you can see the beach. Let me see. Can I get you a shot? Okay. So that's how quick they're stocking up for the night, or for tonight's activities. Moalboal. Oh, look at that. Healthy food spot. Hello. Let me look at their menu real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the menu. Healthy alternative. I like that.
Hi.
Excellent. There's the menu. Let me see if I can. Oh, you have a menu? Okay, perfect. Even better. Let's see. And this is right next to the beach. Okay. Lava. Good morning. Alright. Let me show you guys the beach. So there you go, 5-minute walk from the hostel to the beach. And here's where I will get you some drone footage. Alright. Yesterday there was, was it yesterday? Yes, yesterday I was out here. It was pretty busy. Today it's a little bit early. I guess not too many people are out yet. But here's the main beach for the tourist area of Moalboal. Let me see if I can. There's more boats out here yesterday, but yeah, it's beautiful out here. Snorkeling, the turtles are here. There's just right off here. There's the sardine runs and all that. Thousands, or I guess millions of sardines. People have seen that, taking pictures. You can kind of see. I think there was a turtle right there. So all the turtles are here. So yeah, if you want to check out the beach, have a good time. Oh, let me show you some more of the restaurants. So that place is pretty popular. That one. So the typhoon that rolled in last year is what damaged some of this. I think it was December of 21. So some of these were damaged, but you can see the restaurants everywhere. Let me see. Restaurants everywhere, as far as you can see. So let me get some drone footage and I'll put it into this on the back part of this video.